Hey everybody, this video is going to go over Aleks and how to use it most effectively in the course. I also give some tips on how to best use Aleks to serve you well in the course. First, make sure you access Aleks through the link on the home page in Canvas. This was shown in the Canvas tutorial as well. This will ensure that you get into the correct course. You do not need to pay for an access code as that is included in the course fees. You will be prompted to make an account. Please do so. Then you will be asked to complete some tutorials. Please complete those so that you know how the tools in Aleks work. Next, you must complete the initial knowledge check. And you can see on this screen that I have this button that says Start Initial Knowledge Check or Start Knowledge Check. This is to be taken seriously, meaning take it as you would an exam in the testing center. Do not use the internet, phones, apps, etc. That will only do you a disservice in the course. You should only use a calculator, a pencil and paper, and your super awesome brain. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and complete this so you'll see what the next step is. This is what your initial knowledge check is going to look like. We're told to factor this polynomial here. Now, this is only going to be a tools help right now, meaning help me fill in the answer or fill in the blank, but it's not going to say, hey, give me the answer. You can put, I don't know, you can submit a blank thing. But whenever you're working on topics in Aleks, it's going to give you this toolbar that are available tools for you. On the initial knowledge check, you'll see I don't have many tools available to me, but if we continue on, you will see more tools. So now what this is doing is it's showing me my pie. Don't be too concerned about the pie. Now, at the end of the course, of course, we want an entire pie filled up to be nice and pretty. But the biggest thing that we need to worry about is the path or the topics that we will be completing. Okay? So, we can click on a piece of pie to get more information if we want. We can go to this timeline, etc. It'll walk you through all of this. But the important thing is to start my path. Now, we can see that we have this assignment factoring review. This is the first assignment you'll be working on in Aleks, okay? And you're just going to hit Start My Path. Now, there are some things that I want to point out, and some important things as they relate to the course specifically. Completing your path on or by the module due dates will ensure you see all the material that will be on the exams. Okay. Now, the next tip I want to give you is we have this learning page, right? And then you're going to start, and it's going to give you some questions or answers questions you can answer on your own. All right. Now, let's say this topic is giving you a headache. What we can do is we can click this down button and we can say, okay, I'm going to write this topic down. I'm going to go back to it later after I get some help on it. So instead, I'm going to change my topic and click another topic and work on this. Now, if you type this exact thing into Google, factoring a univariate polynomial by grouping, problem type 2, it'll come up with a bunch of videos that you can watch. I also have videos that I have made, and you can see where to find those on the Canvas tutorial, that go over most every single topic that we talk about. Now, don't spend forever completing a topic when you have many resources that can help you complete them faster. Okay? Write down the topic, go to the math lab, come see me, or use videos I have provided in Canvas to help on that specific topic. I know your time is important. The next thing I want to point out is that you can work on specific chunks or assignments. How you do this is you go in, you click on this button, and you can filter the topics to make sure you're working on the correct set of topics. Click this button, click on 2.3, that'll be a new set of topics. Now, this is only happening right now because as I'm making this recording, the course hasn't started. Usually, you will have to complete a set of topics before the next topics will open up. Okay? However, this filtering tool is useful in two places. First, before the midterm and the final exams, all previous topics will open up. This will allow you to study the topics you may have missed or not completed. Second, if you complete a set of topics early, past topics will open up. This means if you get behind, you can try to finish a set of topics early and go back to the missed topics. However, in both instances, you will not be awarded points back onto your grade. Another bit of information I want to share is that you can review topics you have completed in Aleks. Let's say you have a topic you complete, but you still aren't feeling pretty solid about it. You mark that in your notes, and before the exam you want to go over them. So, this is where keeping track of those types of things in a notebook is important. Okay? Mark it with a star, mark it with a specific color, or something that signifies you need to go back to that topic. Then click the menu in Aleks, go to Review. Again, you'll be able to filter by section, okay, and then find the topic that you need most help on. So, Aleks is a really nice tool if you know how to use it. Let's say you're struggling still, and you need some help getting into Aleks. Don't feel shy. Please reach out to me so that I can help you get on the right path to succeed in this course. We'll talk to you soon.